Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. Choose the correct verb. The cat dashed with a ball. Play or plays? Yes, plays. The cat plays with a ball. The little boy dashed up high. Jump or jumps? Yes, jumps. The little boy jumps up high. She dashed apple juice in the morning. Drink or drinks? Yes, drinks. She drinks apple juice in the morning. The cow dashed us milk. Give or gives? Yes, gives. The cow gives us milk. Anita and Ali dash books together. Read or reads? Yes, read. Anita and Ali read books together. My mom dashed delicious cookies. Bake or bakes? Yes, bakes. My mom bakes delicious cookies. Aliza dashed up early in the morning. Wake or wakes? Yes, wakes. Aliza wakes up early in the morning. This goat dash grass. Eat or eats? Yes, eats. This goat eats grass. I dash my grandmother every weekend. Visit or visits? Yes, visit. I visit my grandmother every weekend. The monkey dashed lots of bananas. Eat or eats? Yes, eats. The monkey eats lots of bananas.